It's been 5 years since we have seen the last of suspect terror, but Officer Vasquez had a son at the age of 15, but today he is 20 and following the footsteps of his father, trying to kill suspect terror. Oh, he's over here.
What are you doing here? I came here to kill you. Do what you did to my dad. You can't get me.
Oh, he's dead like his father. Oh, shame. Hey, you fought me, you bitch. Yeah, he's fucking up. Okay, now in. Should we or kick him? I wonder where he's off now. Hey, that bitch! He ran away! He's off to the mist. Fuck. He's gone. Now. He's dead, or he just shot in the leg. That's the end.